I'm Ajinkya. I live in Fremont, California, and I recently had a remodeling project done where I remodeled like 2 bathrooms with Royce Builders company. I talked to a bunch of other companies, and when I had interacted with Shai, who initially came in, I felt pretty good about it. Royce Builders were not at all pushy. They would let you take your time, and I felt pretty confident. They were almost always positive in anything that I was asking, which is also something that you want as a client. On the first day, I remember they put up a lot of coverings like with plastic, and they had like zip line so that I could walk in and out of the house. It was very well done. Like I never had any issues, even when the work was going on. Roaming around, the crew was quite aware of the surroundings. They did not destroy any of my belongings. In terms of like after the work was done during the end of the day, they did make sure that they would clean and everything. Smooth process and very happy with it. So Shai was assigned to my project. She has been very helpful in terms of managing the whole project end to end. Right from the day one, she would always text me with the availability of the contractors, when they are going to come, the schedule. Everything was given to me. If there are changes, she would immediately let me know. Most important thing is she would always be there. Like I have never seen, like I've given her a call and she never picked up. I mean, that would happen, but it's not like it goes unanswered. She would call me back within an hour or so. I would highly recommend Shai. If she's your project manager, most likely you know you are in the best hands. Not just good, the best hands.